Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you a Telegram bot where you can invest your money and earn return. So we are going to be using this Telegram bot with the name 40vest. Okay. So if you're following my channel, you should know that here on this channel I post only legit stuffs only. So in my account I have about $100 here now. So we are going to be withdrawing to test their withdrawal system. So let's click on get paid. Okay. So we are going to be getting my BSC USDT wallet address. Okay, so please, whenever you are setting up your wallet address, do it okay because it cannot be changed. Okay, so in my wallet I have about $100.31 here on Trust Wallet. So we click on the receive button, copy out the wallet address, and we're going to be pasting it here on the bot. Please make sure you paste your correct BSC USDT wallet address. They only pay to BSC USDT. So I enter amount which I want to withdraw, which is $100. I click on the confirm button. So take note, they are going to take a service charge of 25 cents. Okay, so we click on the confirm button. Here it says withdrawal is being processed. You will receive it shortly. It is automatic payment, guys, so there is actually nothing to worry about. So here we head on back to my account on Trust Wallet and the refresh balance. Let's refresh balance. You see, this is my new balance, which is $200. Okay, so this is the payment of $99.75, which is what I received from the site, from the boat, I mean. Okay, so you can see the date and time. Remember, they are taking 25 cents as a service charge, so whenever you are withdrawing, have that in mind. Okay, so now that is how the system works. This is my new balance here now. So let's head up back to the Telegram bot. You see, this is withdrawal. Everything here is actually okay. So now, as I have gotten my money, we click on the grow button. Let me explain to you how it works. So it has over 10 investment plans. So it says choose a plan below and you can invest in multiple packages. Also, your return is going to be sent to your account every single day. So they have the associate, which is the first one. It is giving you 16% daily profit every single day for 7 days. Minimum deposit is $10. Maximum deposit is $99. You're receiving 16% every day for 7 days. You can withdraw daily. They have the partner. Partner minimum deposit is $100. Maximum deposit is $499. You are earning 20% income every day for 7 days. You can withdraw your daily income. Okay. They have the executive. Minimum deposit is $500. Maximum deposit is $999. You are earning 23% daily income every day for 7 days. Okay, so let's go back. They have the premier. Minimum deposit is $1,000. Maximum deposit is $4,999. You are earning 26% profit every day for 7 days. Okay, so okay, you see. So let's head on back. Okay, let's head on back. They have these other plans. They have a whole lot of plans here. They have the platinum platinum here now. Minimum deposit is $5,000. Maximum deposit is $9,999. You are earning 29% profit every day for 7 days. Okay, so you click on the back button. They have a whole lot of them here now, so all you have to do is to just choose the one that suits you. They have the elite. Minimum deposit is $50,000. Maximum deposit is 199,999 USDT. Okay, you are earning 35% every day for 7 days. Okay, and they have the biggest one, which is the legacy. Okay, so that is it. So now I am going to be making a deposit because I am going to be purchasing a plan in this video. So we click on the add funds button. You can deposit using USDT BEP20, USDT TRX, Ethereum, BNB, TRX, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. So in this case, for me, I am going to be depositing with Litecoin because Litecoin is what I actually have in my account currently. Okay, so we click on it. I will have to copy out this wallet address. Minimum deposit is 0.25 LTC. So let's head on to my Trust Wallet account. So over here on Trust Wallet, you see I have over 13.44 Litecoins here. So I'm going to be investing $500 worth of Litecoin. So you can deposit from any wallet address of your choice. Okay, so this is it over here. Now let me enter $501 right here now. So let's say $501. Yes, $501. Okay, so I click on the next button. So for me to invest this amount of money into this project, just you have to know that this is actually a very long term project. It is not going to be like the others that come and go. So you have to trust me on this one. So this is it. I have just sent um over $500 worth of Litecoin to the company, and after that, come here and wait. After deposit, do not click any other thing, but wait till the bot receives your deposit, just like this. Okay, so you can see it received the amount and converted it to USDT instantly. So now this is what you are going to do after they have received your deposit. Click on this button below that says grow. Okay, so you click on the button here that says grow. As you click on the grow button, find the plan that suits your deposit. So for me, it is actually this executive. I will be investing $500 here now, and I will be earning 23% every single day for 7 days. I can be withdrawing my profit every single day. Okay, so I I am going to type in the amount which I want to invest, which is of course $500, and I send it. So for investing $500, I will be earning 115 USDT every single day for 7 days, and that is going to be a total of 805 USDT in just 7 days. Can you imagine, guys? So I click on the confirm button, and I have just successfully purchased the plan with $500, and every day it is going to be giving me $115 every single day. So I click on portfolio. You see, this is my new balance. Remember, minimum withdrawal from this bot is actually $1. So if I click on the button here that says grow, if I click on the button that says grow, okay, this is history. This is my withdrawal of $100. Remember, but if I click on this grow button, which is under this place, you are going to be able to see my plans. If I click on my plans, this is it. This is executive. I bought it with $500, and I'm making $115 every day for 7 days. So that is how the system works. So I'm going to be dropping the link in this video's description box. Okay, so you click on my team. They have a very nice referral system, up to 5 level referral system, offering you level 1 5%, level 2 3%, level 3 2%, level 4 1%, level 5 0.5%. So all you have to do is to just copy your referral link and invite your friends, and when they join and make a deposit, you are receiving commission. So copy your link, share it to your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and any other social network of your choice. Just share your link randomly to social media platforms, and you're actually going to make a whole lot of money from your referrals. Guys, trust me on this one. Okay, so that is it. If you want to see more, just click on these frequently asked questions, read about them. Just go head on over there and do your thing, guys. So that is it. So I guess that should be all for this video. Remember, minimum withdrawal here is $1. So like my page, and if you want to contact admin, this is the admin contact. Just go over there, tell them what you want to tell them. So like and follow my page for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, guys, and God bless. Peace.